to me, Franny. Today I'm here with Neza.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
What the hell was that?
Hello. Like the little kid that comes in the room. Anyways.
What? All right.
Remember in Christmas, he's like, hello.
What is it, a Vine? Or a meme?
No.
Okay, forget it. All right, guys. So today's video.
You know, we just had to do one more.
We had to do one more because Neza leaves. Neza's leaving to Miami for a month in like a couple days. So we had to film one more video.
We're giving you a DIY, but this one is gonna be the worst of them all.
Yeah,
for sure.
We normally do DIY, but today we are going to bake a cake but with no instructions. I honestly have no idea how this is gonna work out. Because we both, the uncultured swines that we are, we do not know anything about baking. We've never baked together.
No.
We don't bake. Like the extent to us baking is the pre-made dough ball, the dough balls for the cookies that's already made, or like she said, the pre-cake mix. You just add some water, oil, and some eggs, and that's it. This is a whole different situation. We are doing like the whole thing. Like
it was just a struggle just to buy all this in general. We couldn't find anything at the grocery store.
Yeah, we didn't know where anything was. So basically what we are making today is a red velvet cake. I love red velvet cake. We're not making the ice. The icing we got because I am not about to do that.
There's no time.
We literally don't have time today. No. We've had all day to do this, but we just got to doing this and it's literally 6:45.
Got here hours. Anyway.
So actually the first thing we should do is preheat the oven. But how hot do we make it?
I don't know because I've baked cookies at 350, but I've also baked things at like 425. So
375?
it'll just take
like right in between. 375. Okay, guys, let's do 375.
This is already going to.
Okay, it's gonna be done in 10 minutes.
Okay.
Like, how do you even start?
No, I don't. I could not tell you what comes first
because you usually have to mix all the powders together first and then add the liquids.
Sure.
I don't know. I don't get the point of that because it all just ends up being all mixed in at the end.
So keep in mind, guys, because we don't have instructions, we don't know how much of each thing to put in.
We have no idea. We're gonna roll with this. How much flour do you think?
I don't know, bro.
You have no clue?
No.
I'm gonna do like 2 cups or something.
Well, let's put 1 cup in and see how much it is first, and then we'll decide if we're putting like a 4th or another whole cup in.
Oh, also shout out to Sebastian for giving me the idea for this video.
Aww.
Because he said it. I remember him mentioning it to me a few weeks ago. He's like, I want to do this. I'm like, oh my god, the video idea is so funny. And then he had just posted a video about it. If you haven't checked it out, go check out Seb's video. So I got the idea from Seb. Flour is getting.
Oh! What your knee is hard! Just kicked me!
So sorry.
Oh my god, Tweedledee and Tweedledum baking a cake. Do 1 for now.
No, dude, there's way too definitely. I think it's like 2 cups.
I know, but I'm just saying let's just start with 1.
Maybe 1.5. We also had 2 tins just in case it's. Jesus. Okay.
I put too much.
Maybe a little more.
Well, definitely way more. So maybe a whole other cup.
2. I feel like it's like 2 or 3, but let's just do 2.
I think it's way more than 2. Like even like.
It's like 5 cups. No, there's no way. Okay.
No.
All right, we're sticking with 2. That does not look like a lot.
No, it doesn't. Because the pack of the pre-made ones.
Like, it's usually just 1 layer. It's fine. If we just make 1 layer, it's fine. Next ingredient, because we have the ingredients here, so we have to put all of these in there. Flour done. Sugar.
Oh, I don't even know.
Sugar, do you think?
Sugar.
Half a cup?
Maybe. What? How much? How big is half a cup?
1/4 of a cup, maybe, or 1/3 of a cup.
Let's try 1/4. Right?
1/4? Okay, let's do 1/4.
Let's try 1/4.
All right.
Here, I'll hold it.
Right?
That seems like a lot.
Oh my god, wait. Are you sure it's only like 3 tablespoons or something? Like, you know.
What if it's just tablespoons and we just put a whole effing pound of sugar in here, bro? No, wait, we literally just put like the equivalent of the flour.
That is a lot.
Bro, that's a lot. Maybe we should put some more flour in there to even it out. Okay.
What if this is the best effing cake we will ever have?
Then people can learn here. Everyone's laughing already in the comments because this is definitely
because
probably way off.
Dave's putting on the screen what it's actually supposed to be. Dude, embarrassing that must be.
Yeah.
Baking soda.
Oh, that's for sure in tablespoon form, man. We ain't gonna blow up this kitchen today. That's definitely like tablespoon. Is that a tablespoon?
Yeah. Oh no, this is a teaspoon. Teaspoon or tablespoon?
I don't know. I just know that baking soda is what makes it go boom, right?
No, usually you're supposed to put like a tiny bit.
I know, like super. Maybe this.
Teaspoon. Maybe just a teaspoon. Like I feel like it's normally like that much or something.
Sure.
Guys, we like half a teaspoon in here.
Sure.
That's it?
I don't know. This is what makes it rise, no?
Alright. Salt.
That for sure is a teaspoon.
Dude, just crank it in. Just crank some in.
No, we ain't cranking this in. We need to measure this. I ain't coming out with That is not happening today.
I don't have normal salt.
We ain't cranking this, Franny.
No, just crank. I don't know where the smoke.
I ain't cranking it.
We're wasting so much salt.
Yeah, I know. What does the salt do even?
Okay, that's all the dries? Oh, no, the
cocoa powder. Because if you guys didn't know, red velvet is chocolate.
But this is unsweetened. It says sugar free.
Yeah, because I didn't know that red velvet was chocolate cake for the longest time. I just thought it was red cake.
I feel like this is like a third of a cup.
Well, we gotta make it chocolate, right? So it has to like be chocolate.
So half a cup maybe? Or a third of a cup? Or a cup. Half a
Let's
cup?
try half a cup. It's a lot. Okay.
Did you get on my white shirt?
It smells so good though.
Okay.
This for sure is a chocolate cake. If you get this on my white top, Franny, I swear for God.
Okay, it looks
okay. It looks fine for now. When we start, if it's not like dark enough, we'll add more chocolate.
Okay, the liquids I'm a little nervous for.
This is where it could really go south.
How many eggs do you think?
I think
like two. Right? I'm so.
What should happen?
I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
Yeah, two, right?
Yeah. It's gonna be a dry cake. There's so much power in there.
I know. The buttermilk. Okay, so
you tell this story because
so we went to the supermarket. There's a supermarket in LA that's very common. It's called Ralph's. And the Ralph's that is by my house that we went to didn't have buttermilk. So we had to buy the culture blend, the one that is like powdered version, and it's like depends on how much buttermilk powder you put in. You have to put water. So a cup of buttermilk equals 1 cup of water. Or wait, what?
What did you just say?
4 tablespoons of this, you have to put 1 cup of water. Because I was reading a lot about red velvet cake. They said buttermilk is what makes red velvet cake because it makes it super fluffy. So we should do maybe a cup of this. Let's just put it in. First mix the dry buttermilk with other dry ingredients.
What the?
Because this is for
first mix the dry buttermilk with other ingredients, then add the appropriate amount of water.
So we already messed this up.
We already messed this all the way up.
So let's do it.
So 4
4 of these.
That is 2 tablespoons, ma'am?
Yeah, tablespoon.
No, I know. I meant you put 2 in 1. It's like a mountain. Pretty sure that's enough.
Yo, ma'am, I think you might have put too much buttermilk in your biscuit.
I think you just put in 8 tablespoons, to be honest with you, instead of 4.
And then they said a cup of water. This just looks really fun.
Just start mixing it and see what happens. And then we'll see if we need like more like
because we need to add
flour.
We still need to add. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. I don't know what you think you're doing, but it's not mixing.
We need to add vegetable oil. Usually vegetable oil is like a 1/4 of a cup.
It's
right?
a lot. Not like cup, but yeah.
It's like 1/4 of a cup, no?
Why is this getting stuck? This is like bread dough. Franny, it's like literally it's solid, bro.
Let's add some.
We need way more liquid in this.
Here,
I don't know through what,
oil.
but maybe.
Alright, let's get it. Vegetable oil comes through my main.
It's literally stuck in the whisker. Whisker? Okay, maybe this isn't what we were supposed to mix this. Don't you have like a wooden spoon? Isn't that what grandmas use? Yeah. Just like beating eggs. It's stuck in there, bro. Hold on. It looks like marshmallow right now.
Wait, we have to put the distilled vinegar.
Yeah, but that's only gonna be like a tablespoon, no?
I don't know. Apparently it's like a big part of it too.
Vinegar.
Maybe like 4 tablespoons or something, or like 3.
We're just gonna put that right here in the water. Definitely needs more water or buttermilk, whatever.
Let's put some vinegar in it.
You ain't gonna make this more liquidy with the vinegar, bro. That's like just like a little bit. We need more water.
I know, but we have to put this in eventually. How much?
I don't know. This one's on you. Completely on you. I don't know. Dave, put how much vinegar we're supposed to put in.
I'm saying 4 tablespoons.
4?
Or 2?
Yeah, let's keep it with 2, bro. Hit me with a brick because I don't even know anymore. We're just going downhill.
Ew, are we supposed to add water to this? This does not look like
it looks like ice cream right now.
Yeah, but the vanilla extract.
Again, I don't know what you think you're doing, but it's not mixing. We did something really wrong.
Should we add some milk or something to it?
Bro, why is it like marshmallow mix right now?
It smells like
it's about because of your vinegar, bro! That smells like straight vinegar!
More bad in it?
I remember there being so there has to be something like that's what makes it like goopy. You don't have like a The thingy? No?
I think so.
No,
we don't bake in this household like that. This is what? Like a teaspoon?
Yeah, it's really strong. And we already put a whole pound of sugar in here, so yeah, like that. That's literally it. When we make this with a packet, it's way more just like watery. We're getting there.
I think you might have too much
powder.
Should we put like milk in it? I don't think you
Let's try. Do we put milk in cakes?
It literally smells like Should we try eating it?
No. No way. Cake mix shouldn't do that. It shouldn't stick like that.
Oh my God, okay,
I think more water for sure. Ooh, it looks nasty. I think we might have just ruined it. I think we officially have hit rock bottom because wait, bro. What the F is it? Oh my God. It looks like cake mix now. There we go. Now it looks like cake mix. Yes.
Oh my God, it's like
we are getting somewhere, ladies and gentlemen.
Red dye?
Okay.
Just dump that in.
Not the whole thing?
No.
Mixing the red dye, I think, is what gives it flavor or something like that. I'm not gonna put the whole thing. Okay, just start slowly. Also, be so careful with that because this does not come out of clothing. I'm actually really proud of this right now. We're getting closer to see how much more it needs. It needs to be like red.
Okay, I think that's enough.
No, bro. For it to bake red, it needs to be like red. That ain't red. You still think it's too gloopy? Like glue?
Yeah, it's like
really feels like marshmallow?
Yeah, but I don't know.
Maybe a little more vegetable oil.
You think?
I see what you mean. It feels like
tacky.
It's like glue. It's like slime. Almost.
Yeah, it's like tacky. It's like not as smooth as should be. Should we put a little bit more vegetable oil in it?
Literally the tiniest little bit.
Oh,
the tiniest little bit, and she puts the whole cup. Everyone in the comments is like,
everyone's like,
no,
don't do it. Don't do it.
I don't know how people bake from scratch. This is insane. I think what the problem is that we've both baked with like the pre-packaged one, and this doesn't look like that or smell like that, so we automatically assume that it's wrong.
Clear. It looks pretty good to me right now.
It smells so weird.
Should we put more cocoa in it? Dude, I just feel like we keep adding powder and it just keeps, like now it's the better consistency.
Yeah, now it's good. We can technically taste it, right?
I don't want to taste it, to be honest with you. You want to taste it? Okay, go for it. Oh my God. Okay, hold on.
Nope. No, absolutely not.
What does it taste like? It doesn't talk to me.
What does it mean, bro? You taste that. That tastes not like chocolate cake. I think it's because the red dye is throwing me off. It definitely needs more chocolate, bro. The recipe's like 5 cups of cocoa, and we put in like 1.5. And then we're gonna have to put in more water or something. You were getting that?
Tonight, I'm
everywhere. Franny. Shouldn't we need more? Oh, I swear for God, Franny. Because now we've added so much. Wouldn't the recipe need more buttermilk or no?
Yeah, it just sucks that the buttermilk is like powder. Yeah. Let's just add a little bit.
Something. More vanilla, maybe? Oh, we ruined it.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, that is too thick.
Why do you keep tasting it, bro? Just wait till we cook it.
That needs more sugar. Franny, I don't know what we just made. No way. That's not what I meant at all. At this point, we're making bread because there was no sweetness there.
Okay, this is it, bro.
We just keep adding cocoa and then water and then cocoa and water. I think this is it. We don't really know what else to do from here, so.
So now we're gonna pour these into the freaking thing.
Okay, don't fill it. Don't fill the pan, Franny. Only put like to there because it rises a lot.
Or should we just put that one in that one so it doesn't take as long?
But look how, that's pretty thin.
Or should we just do one big one?
Franny, I don't know. Because that's not enough to fill the other one.
This looks like some Chef Boyardee type thing.
All right, pop it in.
Usually I cook for like, we'll just check on it in like 30 minutes.
Or like 25.
All right.
Or 15. Because we don't know. Don't know what's going on.
What if this explodes in there? Honestly, dude, I have no idea how
Well, here's to hoping.
So we're gonna clean up a little bit, and then yeah, in like 20 minutes, we'll come back and check up on the cake.
For sure.
A lot harder than I thought.
Props to anyone who can bake without
I know, like people that are like, oh, just
this and it's like, oh, it needs a little more of this, it needs more of that. And we're like,
Later that same evening.
it's been 30 minutes, and we bumped up the heat to 400. We don't know what to expect right now.
I don't know. It does smell like chocolate. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah,
it does smell
even
like chocolate.
my dad was like, oh, it smells good.
Holy shiznits! Franny, that looks like it might be like dry. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's done. Franny, it's
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I think we're burning it. Oh my god. Franny, take it out. That is hard. That's like crusty.
Come on, I'm panicking. You're making
Hold on. Hold the phone.
Oh my god, my fingers.
Franny. It's like a drum.
No, feel it, Nessa. Feel how heavy it is. It's like a thick brick.
It's literally.
It smells like bread.
Bro, hold on.
It smells like bread.
I think we overcooked it. Because look, it's literally, I don't even know what to tell you, like how to describe it. It's like, it's a thick, hard sponge.
It smells like bread.
But no, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. It smells like a,
No, it smells like chocolate.
like a chunk of bread.
It looks like fudge. We made fudge. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's literally like.
Okay, the icing tastes like lipstick.
Why does it taste like lipstick?
It tastes like lipstick, Nessa. Like MAC lipstick.
I don't like frosting, so.
Tastes like lipstick.
That's not good.
Okay, ready? Cheers.
That is not chocolate. That does not taste like, and it doesn't really taste like anything. I don't even know how to explain that. It just doesn't taste like it's supposed to be in your mouth. It doesn't taste like.
It tastes like Play-Doh.
Literally. Oh my god, that's what it smells like. It's Play-Doh. It's literally Play-Doh. We made freaking red velvet Play-Doh. I am so upset. You have no idea how much I was looking forward to.
It's like a brick.
I don't. Just. Bro, this shit ain't breaking.
It is thick, thick. Oh my god.
Okay, go. Just lay it on me. What? Okay, first flour. We put 2 cups of flour. How much flour was supposed to be?
3 cups.
Okay, not too bad.
3 cups of flour.
How many eggs? We did 2.
4.
No effing way.
1 teaspoon of baking soda, which was kind of
we kind of did that.
Yeah. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
We put 2 tablespoons? We put like 5 cups. That can't be.
Half a teaspoon of salt,
which you kind of did, shaking it in there.
Oh my
How much
god.
sugar?
Wait, I did forget something. The butter.
Get out. Get out, because I told you at the grocery store, I said it needs butter. And you were like, no, there's buttermilk. And I was like, no, you need butter. And she's like, do you put butter in cake mix? So we didn't get butter.
Honestly, I don't think butter would have saved this. 1 cup of vegetable oil. We did about a cup of vegetable oil.
Sure.
1 tablespoon pure vanilla.
Which you did.
1 teaspoon we put to 1 cup of buttermilk.
We weren't so far off. Except for, I don't know.
I think it was the cocoa. 30 minutes.
At what?
350.
I'm interested to see what it would taste like if we actually followed the instructions.
All right, guys. Well, that was a complete, utterly horrible fail. We weren't too off on everything though. But
unless we watched this back and we were really off.
I hope you enjoyed this video. This was, like I said, an absolute fail. But I mean, what else did you expect?
I know, literally, what else did you have?
We have never baked like this before in a while. I think the last time I baked something from scratch was like maybe when I was 12. If you want us to see us bake something else without instructions, let us know. That'd be funny, like just doing a bunch of stuff.
Without instructions?
Like
yeah, comment down below what
else.
Acai bowl?
Yeah, why not?
Comment down below what you guys want us to bake next without instructions.
Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see us do. Put those push notifications on so when I upload you'll know exactly what I do. Subscribe to Nessa's channel. I will leave a link down below. Subscribe to my channel. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Bye.